My name is Abraham Lincoln. I was the 16th President of the United States from 1861 to 1865. When I was young, I spent a lot of time reading books. When I read at night, I would sit near the fire so I could see and keep warm. In my family's log cabin in Illinois, I went to school little by little. I had to walk many miles to get to school and back home. After I finished school, I became a lawyer. I then became the 16th president, and soon after the Civil War ended, at the end of my presidency, I made the Emancipation Proclamation so slaves could be freed and the states joined together.